Looking for the perfect power supply for your PC build? Today we're ranking 5 popular models from budget to premium, so you can find out exactly which one deserves a spot in your setup. Starting off our list at the entry level, we've got the ARESGAME 500-watt power supply. This is the most budget-friendly option of the bunch, and honestly, it's made for those who just want a simple, reliable unit that powers up a basic rig without breaking the bank. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done for office setups or light gaming PCs. Now, in terms of features, the ARESGAME comes with bronze efficiency and basic safety protections like overvoltage and short-circuit protection. For a budget option, it's a nice touch that includes a hydraulic bearing fan and looks decent with its all-black cables. No rainbow spaghetti here. It's definitely better built than some of the nameless off-brand PSUs out there. However, let's be clear, this one's not built for heavy loads or gaming monsters. With just 500 watts and no modular cabling, it's going to struggle with high-end GPUs or future upgrades. It also lacks modern features like the new 12V HPWR connector, which means it's not ideal if you're thinking about grabbing a next-gen graphics card anytime soon. Overall, this is perfect for users on a tight budget, maybe someone building their first PC or putting together a family workstation. And just a quick reminder, you'll find links to all the products from this review at the best available prices right down in the description below. Next up is the Thermaltake Smart 600-watt model, a small step up in power but still very much in the budget range. If you've seen this one on store shelves, you probably noticed it's one of Thermaltake's most affordable power supplies. It's designed for basic gaming systems or entry-level setups that don't demand crazy performance. Feature-wise, it brings 600 watts of continuous output and the usual built-in protections. It's a reliable choice for simple builds, and for a lot of users, that extra 100 watts over the ARESGAME model gives just enough breathing room to power a mid-range graphics card. It's still compact and easy to install, which is nice if you're working with a smaller case. But like the ARESGAME, it has limitations. It only carries a basic 80+ white efficiency rating, meaning it's less power efficient and generates more heat under load. The non-modular design can make cable management a hassle, and while it works fine for basic systems, it's not the best choice for enthusiasts or high-performance rigs. If you're looking for something that will simply power your setup and not worried about cutting-edge features, this one can do the job. But if you're planning to upgrade down the road, you'll want to look higher on this list. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews just like this. Moving into the mid-range territory, the MSI Mag A850GL offers a solid balance of power, features, and value. With 850 watts on tap, it's more than capable of running high-end gaming systems and even the latest graphics cards that use the new PCIe 5 connector. MSI really hit a sweet spot here, modern features at a reasonable price. It's an ATX 3.0 unit, fully modular, and even includes the new 12-volt high-power connector for next-gen GPUs. You'll also find gold-level efficiency, meaning it's significantly more efficient than the entry-level units. Plus, it's compact and easy to fit in most cases, making it a great option for builders who care about clean setups and good airflow. On the downside, it doesn't include a fan stop feature, so the fan runs constantly even under light loads, which can lead to some background noise. And while the internal components are decent, they're not quite premium grade. You're not getting the top-tier Japanese capacitors that come with the high-end models. Still, if you're building a modern gaming PC and want a dependable power supply without paying premium prices, the MSI Mag A850GL is a fantastic mid-range option that delivers performance and features where it counts. Now we're getting into serious territory with the Be Quiet Pure Power 12M, a high-end power supply that blends performance with near-silent operation. Known for their acoustic engineering, Be Quiet has created a PSU that's as quiet as it is powerful. You want a system that's stable, efficient, and whisper quiet? This one deserves your attention. The 1000 watt capacity gives you plenty of room for high-end components, and it's fully compliant with ATX 3.0 and PCI 5, meaning it's future-proofed for modern GPUs. It's fully modular too, which makes cable management effortless. The gold efficiency rating ensures you're not wasting power, and its dual-rail design adds extra stability for heavy loads. The only trade-off? The fan never completely stops spinning, so it's not totally silent at idle. Some enthusiasts might also prefer a single-rail design for extreme overclocking flexibility. But honestly, those are small compromises considering how refined and reliable this power supply is. If you're building a premium gaming rig or workstation and you value reliability and silence, the Pure Power 12M is one of the best in its class. But there's still one model that manages to go a step further. At the top of our list is the ASUS ROG Strix 1000W Platinum, the definition of premium performance and build quality. This is the kind of PSU designed for high-end enthusiasts who want the absolute best, and it delivers every category. With its premium efficiency rating, you're getting one of the most power-efficient supplies on the market, which means less heat and lower energy bills. It supports the latest ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 standards, and even includes advanced features like GAN components for better efficiency and a 0 RPM fan mode for silent operation. It's the complete package: performance, silence, and reliability. Of course, all that excellence comes at a price, but when you factor in the quality of components, ultra-quiet operation, and that rock-solid 10-year warranty, it's clear that you're paying for one of the best power supplies money can buy. If you're building a top-tier system with flagship components, this is the powerful supply that can keep up and probably outlast your next few upgrades too. So there you have it, 5 power supplies that can cover every type of PC build. From budget setups to elite gaming monsters, you'll find links to the best deals on all the models we covered right below this video. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews coming soon.